LTE routers, which utilize mobile communication networks, have been widely adopted in industrial sectors. Many of these areas are unattended, leading to a demand for remote monitoring and the ability to reboot devices. So, how can we remotely verify if the equipment is functioning correctly? Let's explore the SMS functionality of the WMaster WR315 router. Open a web browser. Enter the device's IP address in the browser's address bar. You'll be directed to the login page. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Once logged in, navigate to the cellular menu. On the cellular status page, it shows the device is already registered on the network and has successfully obtained an IP address. On the right side, we can see two menus related to SMS. One is SMS Remote Control, and the other is SMS Alert. First, let's introduce SMS Alert. SMS Alert refers to when the device encounters an alarm. The alarm information will be sent as a text message to the phone numbers set below. Here we can see that it can simultaneously support sending to 4 phone numbers. Here we will first set up a function for validation. Currently, there are 3 supported functions. The first one, authentication failure, refers to when someone tries to log in to the device with incorrect username or password. The device will send a text message notification to the corresponding phone number. The second function is configuration changed, which sends a text message to the set phone number when the device's configuration is altered. The third one is periodical SMS. After enabling this function, the device will send the current LTE connection information according to the time interval set below to the specified phone number. The time interval for sending has been set according to actual needs. Click Submit to apply the settings. Here, we set the periodical SMS interval to 5 minutes. Now let's proceed with the test. Exit the current login page. Enter an incorrect username or password here. Then re-enter the correct username and password to log into the device. On the event log page, from this log entry, we can see that the device has sent a message to the phone number 180, indicating unauthorized authentication. The username is admin because the password we entered earlier was incorrect. Click Save to preserve the current settings. Returning to the event log page, we can see another message has been sent, indicating a configuration change. In the periodic SMS log, there is an entry indicating that the functionality has been initialized. This means that since we set the interval to 5 minutes earlier, under normal circumstances, after 5 minutes from this timestamp, the device will send another message to the phone number we specified. The content of the message will include LTE connection information. From this log entry, we can see that the device sends information to the specified phone number through the periodic SMS function, including hostname MAC address, LTE IP address, and carrier information. Now let's introduce the functionality of SMS Remote Control. Currently, this feature mainly supports 2 commands, reboot and connection data. These 2 functions allow us to send text messages from a mobile phone to the SIM card number used on the device, enabling the device to reboot and obtain the current LTE connection information. This includes the IMEI of the device's LTE module, signal strength, IP address, and exit. Select Enable and click Submit to apply the settings. To send a text message to the device's assigned number from your phone, first, let's send admin connection.data. You will receive an OK on your phone, indicating that it's from the device. Shortly after, you will receive the LTE connection information from the device on your phone. You should see that it has been successfully sent. Next, let's send another command to reboot the device. Start with the username and password, followed by the reboot command. Once the device receives the command sent from your phone, it will respond with an OK. When your phone receives this OK message from the device, it indicates that the device will proceed with the reboot operation. You can see the reboot in event log as well. This concludes the demonstration of the remote SMS functionality for the LTE router.